Greetings, welcome to my living room. Here we are in the mountains of Southern California in my 1945 cottage. One of my awesome Shauna Who viewers recently asked me to do a home tour. My 1945 cottage has tiny little rooms. It's very snuggly and cozy and absolutely adorable and charming. So I'm gonna do my best just to show you the living spaces. I did a Christmas decorating video in my little cottage a couple of years ago. And since then, I've added a couple of new items. So I'm just gonna point out the new items. Congratulations to the Shauna Who viewer who recently purchased her first home. She was the one that wanted me to do a home tour. Anyway, I'll show you the living spaces and I hope this helps with your decorating ideas. Let's talk about throw pillows. In my opinion, throw pillows are one of the most important things when it comes to decorating, especially for the holidays. The adorable reindeer pillowcase cover. Gotta have a snowflake. This is a glider, and this is my favorite seat in the house because it's also right next to the fireplace.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love.
I almost forgot to show you the other snowflake pillowcase. Look at how cute it is. And these 18-inch pillowcases required 20-inch inserts. I'll put all the details for all the holiday decorations that I've recently acquired from Amazon.com in the notes down below. Front door. It's hard to get the whole room in one shot. This is basically the best that I could do. Looking at the Christmas tree, you get a little piece of the couch, and you're looking into the living room from here. One of the things I like most about these lights, aside from the fact that they're stars, which is awesome, there are different settings and you can just choose which setting you like. So this is the setting where they're just on all the time. And then we have other settings where you can make them flash. I'm not a big fan of the flashing settings because I feel like I'm going to have a seizure. But there are other settings where the lights slowly fade up and then they slowly fade back out. I'll show you that one. But I actually like that one a lot. I think it's really cute. That's all I have time to show you today, unfortunately. As always, thanks for joining me. Happy New Year. Happy holidays, everyone. Bye.